Professor HT Theater Service Master Man here. I've got my flashlight, and the reason I have this flashlight is there's a couple common issues. This is not a big issue with our chairs, but we have some issues that when people receive them, since sometimes I have to take my 3D glasses off. My retina issue I think got fixed anyway. I was at the ophthalmologist, or is it an optometrist? I'm not sure, one of the two. But anyhow, looking at the bottom of the chair, the HTDesign Southampton chair, you're going to see a couple different connections. This is your motor, first of all, and there's a connection here where there's a plug that comes in and out, and that can become loose and cause the power recline to not work. There's another connection here, right here, and that can come loose also, and there's another one here. So there's really three areas on the chair where in shipping or when setting up can come loose. And so before you call us and say my power recline does not work, please make sure to look at all the connections in the chair in these three spots and make sure they're pushed together like so, pushed in and like that. And that's the common one on power recline. The only other issue would be if a transformer, this is what they call a transformer, and this goes in, these occasionally can not work, but very rarely. If the green light is not on, it's not working. But make sure it's plugged into the wall, and make sure all your cords are plugged in an outlet. And this connection is plugged in correctly too. And that's basically it. There's another spot really too. Also, I think where we can. Hold on. There's one other spot right here where it hooks together, and that has to be connected. So there's basically 1, 2, 5, 6 areas: the wall, 2 at the transformer, and 3 in the chair that need to be connected properly to make sure power recline is working. And you will know if power recline is not working if these lights are not lit, then some connection is broken. That's Troubleshooting 101 on the power recline. Professor HT, Service Master Pro, HTDesign.